It wasn't just the filth that was the problem at Scutari. Amputations were carried out anywhere, often in full view of other patients. I told the surgeons this wasn't acceptable, but they did not like to be told how to do their jobs by a woman. It took me 6 months to convince them to change their ways, after which things improved dramatically. I introduced a laundry in which we could boil clean the sheets and towels. We improved the food too by forming an invalid's kitchen. After all, if you are ill, you need good food to build up your strength. I also created a classroom and library for the men's intellectual stimulation and entertainment, and to help improve themselves. When one of our wards was falling down and needed rebuilding, the army wouldn't help. So I paid for the work myself and hired 200 workers to rebuild the block for us. The newspapers back home reported on our good work, and they helped to raise thousands of pounds to help the sick and wounded. It was by this time that I felt my work was done, and it was time to return home.